Let's do it. Hey friends, thanks for joining. I'm so glad you joined because I'm running solo today. Kat is off doing something fun, enjoying the summer. So I am going to make something delicious on my own with no mistakes. Today I'm making the famous blueberry cookies made famous by TikTok. And I think it's famous not because there's blueberries in it, but because the cookies themselves are actually blue. So really simple, let's get started. We're gonna mix the dry ingredients first. So in a small bowl, we're gonna get flour, salt, baking powder. Alright, done. Next, we're gonna add butter and sugar because there is no good cookie without butter and sugar. And the interesting thing about this recipe is that it can easily be made vegan. There are no eggs and you can get vegan butter or butter that's made with olive oil. So I'm gonna put in my butter, sugar, and we're gonna mix that for a couple of minutes just until it's nice and fluffy. Right, looks good. And the next step is the blueberries. So I have a third cup of blueberries and we do want to defrost them. So these are the frozen ones. I just put them in the microwave for about 30 minutes and you do want it to be jammy. And we're gonna pulverize it in the blender so we get all the nice blue color out and get our blue cookies. And we don't want the blueberries to be whole. We want to squish them and get them all mashed up real good. Look at this. So mine are not blue at all. It's like a pinkish purple color. So cool. All right, the only thing I got left now is the flour and the white chocolate chips, which will fold in. And that felt way too easy. So I'm gonna double check the instructions just to make sure I didn't miss anything. I have been known to skip a step here and there. Yep. Okay, that's it. No mistakes so far. We're gonna fold it in. Reminds me of the episode from Schitt's Creek. How does one fold? Okay, now that I've added the flour in, it is becoming more of a purple color, if you can see so far. And then we mix in the white chocolate, which I feel like I need to use my hands at this point because it's not, my dough's a little bit fluffy. Oh, the dough will be very slack. So chill in the freezer for 30 minutes before shaping into 12 balls. Slack. What does it mean when a cookie is slack? Oh no, this is all wrong. I don't know what it means when they say the cookies will be slack. So am I putting it in the freezer to make it more malleable? Is it slack means it's supposed to be kind of wet and then you put it in the freezer to make it less wet? Because mine is not wet. Mine's actually quite dry. Looks almost like that play sand. Oh, I bet Kat would know. But she is not here. This is where I'm stumped. This is what you get, Gina by yourself. I'm gonna go for it because I'm impatient and I want to see how these come out. So slack or not slack, I'm gonna attempt to roll them in the balls and get them in the oven. Whatever size you make it, try to make them all the same size so they all cook evenly. So I got 12. So I wonder if the one serving was 6 cookies. Who only makes 6 cookies? All right, well I doubled the recipe and it made 12. So we put it in the oven, 400 degrees for 10 to 13 minutes. Can't wait. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, so I decided to take the cookies out and I can only tell that they're done because my white chocolate chips are getting a little brown. So look at these, nice and purple. Let's give it a taste. These are good. They have a lot of white chocolate chips, so it is not chintzy on flavor at all. This is so delicious. It's soft. I do still have some blueberry pieces, but I love the purple. It makes it so much fun, and Kat, I'm sorry, but I think you missed a good recipe today. You're gonna want to try this at home. It was so easy, I actually double checked the steps because I thought I might have missed something. You probably have all the ingredients in your fridge or in your pantry already. You can whip these up and in 15 minutes they'd be done. So I encourage you to try it, make it at home. I give it 2 thumbs up. Dang it. Come back and watch a video when Kat and I are cooking together. It's a lot more fun that way. So thanks for joining. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our other fun recipes. Bye.
Every layer.
Zing! I like it.